And welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can get new emojis on your Android phone. So in the first step we have to download some emojis from the Play Store, like this one. Now just open the app. Agree and continue. And click here to enable face emoji keyboard. There is the second way to do it. If you don't have the buttons like here to go directly to the settings, you have to go back and go to the settings. Now slide down to the system and choose language and input. Now go to the virtual keyboard and click manage keyboards. As you can see, you can enable this keyboard here. Now you can switch the keyboard, but if that window doesn't appear for you, you can do it by the keyboard options. Just open the keyboard and hold the finger on this icon. Sorry, it's look like a bug. And now just choose face emoji keyboard. As you can see, now we have full of new emojis on your phone. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.